just how I went from this to this. And if you're interested, please keep watching. So I've already done my brows off camera. Then this is just me trying to moisturize my under eyes, because I found that like it helps my makeup sit very well. I don't know if you guys are aware, like there are always patches most times under around your cheek, because if you don't do your blending very well, it's going to end up really patchy. And especially if your skin isn't that like smooth, you can just apply anything oily to it, like Vaseline or like I'm using shea butter. So help the makeup glide very well. Now I'm just moisturizing my lips, which is like the holy grail whenever you're doing your makeup, because by the time it's time for your lips, like your lip liner won't have any issue gliding on your lips. So here I'm using the CQ foundation, and you just have to just apply it and in little drops, but I think I overdid it. I'm just trying to blend it with my beauty sponge, and you guys should note how I'm blending it, like dabbing, not dragging, dabbing. Yeah, my face is white, I'm aware, but then the thing is that I must have applied too much, but I'll be blending it very soon. I'm using my Fit Me powder. I'm blending it well into my skin. And I'm using that powder to like set everything on my face. As you can see, like it has improved in a way, but I believe this foundation like takes time to set, so that's why like it's looking like this, but over time it gets better, guys. So be careful with how you apply your foundation, so it won't be too much. And I'm using the Sacha Buttercup highlight powder to highlight under my eyes. For somebody that is going out for natural anything, you just need it. Now I'm lining my lips with my lip pencil actually. And as a black girl, as a dark skin woman, or in fact any skin color you are, lining your lips just gives your lip that extra oomph. So now I'm using my lipstick. I'm applying it. The shade was so light. I was going for like nude-ish, but it's also nude too. But it's light nude, so but it still came out really good, guys. Now I'm just trying to highlight the bridge of my nose, so under my brows, my cupid's bow, just to add a little bit of shimmer to the makeup look. It's like you don't have to do this step, guys. If you're okay with how your face is, then by all means do that. And another hack is that I'm using my eyeshadow palette, the shimmer eyeshadow palette, to do this. You don't need to look for a highlighter if you don't have one. So yeah, that's the makeup look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys try it. This is me just trying to prepare my hair, do everything. Yeah, guys, one thing I forgot to add was my blush, but I don't think it's necessary. If you know that you don't want to add blush to your makeup look, that's fine. This is something that is a natural everyday makeup look that you can carry anywhere. You can use it to go anywhere, to school, to work. So if you guys tried it, please leave it down in the comment section. I hope you guys learned from this video. I try to be as detailed as possible. That's why I didn't fast forward any parts of the clip. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It will mean a lot to this channel, and we can help grow, guys. We are on the road to 500 at least before the end of next month. Please, guys, you guys should subscribe, share this video with your friends who needs it. Like if you know that like this video is going to help you out in your everyday routine, then please by all means and I think this makeup look did not even take me more than like 10-15 minutes. So it's so easy to do. You can still add blush to yours, but I didn't because I just wanted my look to look very simple. But if you're adding blush to your cheeks, make sure that like you're very careful to add like a little, because a little can go a long way. And since this is a very natural look, you don't want it to look like you just vomited blush all over your cheeks. Just little light cheek blush makeup. And if you guys want to see a full makeup tutorial where I add blush, you guys should comment down below and I'll be happy to make that video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!